All these stores are selling a product that is currently trending. In today's video, I will reveal this product and show you, step by step, how to launch a similar business, and how to use AI to beat your competitors and stand out. Let's get straight to the point. The product is this drinking tumbler. If we look at this store, for example, we can tell from the name that it specializes in tumblers only. They're focusing on selling tumbler designs in different niches, which means they're simply selling an image with a specific design on it. Even though the prices are low, they're making lots of money, as evident from the number of daily reviews they're getting. I've also used a tool called Allura to gather more information about the store. As can be seen, the store launched in September 2022, which is around 7 months ago. Again, this time, they've made over $700,000, which is insane in such a short period. So you might be thinking, how can you make money with this product? Don't worry, today we will cover the whole process. Let's start to create our unique tumbler designs. We'll be using an incredible AI image generator called Leonardo AI. First, we will generate image prompt with ChatGPT. For generating better prompts, we will use APERM prompt guide. If you don't have APERM, install the extension. Okay, now that we have the AI PRM extension, let's search for Leonardo. In the search box, select the option that says, Make AI images with Leonardo AI 2.0 Great. Now it's time to provide an object keyword. For example, let's use butterfly 3D artwork. The ChatGPT has generated multiple prompts for us. Now let's head over to Leonardo AI here. We'll select the paper art style as our featured model. You can see some stunning examples of images generated by this model. Choose one that catches your eye. Once you've made your selection, click on Remix right here. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy one of the prompts generated. Paste it into the prompt box on Leonardo AI. With that done, click on Generate. Wow, look at these beautiful images. Choose one that you love and go ahead and download it. Now we need to check the texture of our image. To do this, we'll use a seamless texture checker. I'll provide the link in the video description below. Simply drag and drop your generated image onto the checker. As you can see, our image is tiled with a border. Not to worry, we can customize it further. Let's head back to Leonardo AI and turn on tiling. Then click on Generate once again. Okay, let's check the photo texture once more. Download one of the newly generated images and drag it onto the texture checker. Wow, it's perfect. Let's try another one. Amazing, it looks great too. Now that our image is ready, it's time to upscale it. For this, we'll use a free AI tool called pixelbin.io. Create a free account, and you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Click on Playground and then select Upload. Choose My Upload and simply drag and drop your image. Now select the upscale option and change the value to 4x. Click on Apply. Once that's done, refresh the image and download it. Fantastic. Now let's resize our image to fit the tumbler. For this, we'll use a free online photo editor called Photopea. Just drop your photo into the editor and click on the Image tab. Select image size and change the DPI from 72 to 300. Adjust the width to 2790 and the height to 20/60. Finally, click on OK. Export the image as an file. Perfect. Our design is now ready to go. Alright, let's move on to setting up our store. Head over to printify.com and create an account. Once you're in, search for Tumblr and select the one you like. I'm going with this one. Click on Start Designing and upload your design. Take your time to carefully adjust it. When you're satisfied, click on Preview. If your design looks perfect, go ahead and click on Save Product. Congratulations! Your product is now ready, but we can't stop here. We need to create eye-catching mockups to market our product effectively. To create stunning mockups, we'll be using Canva. Open Canva in your browser and create a new design. Click on Elements and search for Tumblr Mockup. Choose one of the mockup images and click on Edit Photo. Select the Magic Eraser tool to remove the existing tumbler. Now upload your product image. Use the Edit Photo option again and select the Background Remover tool. After removing the background, adjust the tumbler on the table as desired. You can even add another image to make it more visually appealing. Once you've finished editing, go ahead and download the image. Now share this image on your favorite social media. platforms along with your product link. Get ready to attract potential customers. Hold on, we're not done just yet. We need to connect our Printify account with Etsy store. For seamless integration, it's simple. Just go to your Printify product page, scroll down, and click on Connect Store. Select Etsy and voila! Your Printify and Etsy stores are now connected. And there you have it. You've just learned how to launch your own successful Tumblr business using AI to create stunning designs and beat your competitors. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.